Hello, hello. Hope this video is better than the one before. I don't think I had any audio or anything. So poor quality, I'm sorry. This is a very old camera that I'm using. I just wanted to show you where I'm in the 15 minutes, and this is going to be the zone that we're like um, planning to buy if it goes ahead 65, and then our goal is going to be 71. So right now we're 62. Let me show you the 5 minute looks better than the 15 minutes. Sorry about that. So this is where we're at. We are actually doing way better. Put entire screen to it so you get to see everything more clear after hours. And let's just check out another one. This is the one I said the lady of the day, you could say. This is the one that everyone, all the guys want to dance with, the most popular one. And on the 5 minutes, I see a beautiful thing forming, which I'm going to show you really quick. I don't know what the reaction would be, but I'll show you right here. The signal is about to go. It's looking great. Hopefully has strong, like enough strength to go on past these two and then retest. Let me just move it up right here. So my idea is, I wish I had let me see if I can find, maybe this is measure, undo. I need to start using these tools better. All right, let's check out on the, what is this? Gray, vertical, trend line. Maybe trend line. Let's try trend line, see how it looks like. So the idea is, I'll put this in the middle. Maybe I'll make this smaller. And then this one too. Bottom also. So you gotta get to see it somewhat clear. So because not want to focus on any of this right now, we're focusing just on the chart. So what I wanted to show you, if this is the first move, comes down, pulls back. If it closes about this right here, there's a good chance. Oh, wait a sec, what am I doing? Okay, here you go. I guess right there. So there's a good chance if it goes above this line, maybe it has problems with testing that. And then it might just find a little ceiling there, and then probably find some resistance, goes back to support, and oh my gosh, I'm sorry guys, first time I'm doing it. So, and then probably continue. Okay, that's what I'm thinking it might happen. I'm not guaranteed that that's what's gonna happen, but that's what I'm thinking of. And then let's just change the color so you get to see a little. That's gonna be the green, meaning the positive. Negative would be it just doesn't. It can't go through this line right here. Got rejection, big rejection, and it just more likely to continue all the way down. That could also be another one, or let's do yellow, or it could just go sideways. You could just continue here all day, all day, all day, all day, all day, all day. And then there will be a point where it needs to be deciding where to go to. You can go either up or down. So that's what I'm thinking it could happen. Well, I'm just gonna leave the drones there, see what happens, and what do you think is gonna happen? That's your theory. That's gonna be your thesis, your hypothesis. Well, I'm thinking it might just, I don't know. There's the Chinese stock. It's bear market. You gotta put the dots together. Chinese, very low float. So it could be anything. So I'm just gonna leave the drawings there. So right now I'm just gonna go back to the level 2. So that was 5 minutes. Let's just jump in back into the 1 minute, which is the one that moves a lot faster. Well, and that's what's happening right now. So that's 1 minute. Nope, so it doesn't move that quick. See, all that happened earlier. And it's inside of the box. So it pierced the box. I can see right here. I don't know if you get a chance to see it, but it pierces it up right here. And then I don't know what's gonna happen. Probabilities once again. But once it crosses the box down, I don't know why, but I got the feeling that there's another box right here. I'm just gonna do just do white box. And when I say box, I see all this right here. I see all of this right here. Let me just see a little more on the clear side. Okay, it's right here. So pretty much over here, way over there, probably all the way right here. And it is no coincidence that I pierce down right here. It touches it again and continues up. Those are what people call key levels. I call it liquidity zones, where a big move happened right here, and then it went up. Same thing over here. Came down, pierced up. Oh, there's not that many buyers in this area, so the supply it's bigger than the demand. Comes down, retested it, comes down, retested it for the second time. So people will be like, "Oh, that's a too tough," and then comes down and they sell right here. They're like, "Okay, that's it. Can't go through." This confirms it. There's one here, there's one here, and there's another one here. There's another. There's like 1, 2, 3. There's 4 times that it tried and it's just going through, and then sellers load over here, and then suddenly, boom, start buying, 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 and it just completely goes nuts all the way to the top. Then it goes down, 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 down. Now test it. Test it again. So how many times will be right here? 1, 2, 3 times. So and then it's about to be close above. So this is going to be your ceiling, and it just broke the ceiling. You guys got to see that in real time. It broke this. That doesn't mean it's going to continue with the one I was telling you, but that's a good possibility. But this candle needs to close above, and it's usually you get a better view in the 5 minutes. The 1 minute is kind of too volatile. But in the 5 minutes, you can actually see it right here. It's still inside of the box. So there's a good chance that I might move up. Thank you very much. I just wanted to show you what the movements are, and I'll show you later what happened. This is the PAVS. It's a Chinese stock. He has 6.5 millions on the float. Right now it's at 200 and well, the last time I saw it was like 220. So let's say 220 millions divided 6.5, which is going to be millions. So it went 33 times. That's how many times it's going up to. Now just look up at the average. How do you look up the average? So for now on, we're gonna go to. Let's just go to the Yahoo page. Yahoo Finance. I know people already have scanners and all of that. I don't. Maybe it's a good idea for me to get some scanners, especially if I'm like trading for a living, and right now I'm not. So let's see, this is the one right here. Yeah, this is the one. So I'll just go to statistics. See if they change the name. Used to be statistics. Probably shows right here. Days 52 range. Volume, that's today. Average volume, it's at 2 millions. So that's the one I was looking for. So let's just confirm that this is how many, what's the volume today? Volume today. All right, what's going on? Okay, I don't even know what this black rectangle means. We're just gonna click on it to put it in the back, and let's just create a new. Let's just create. I'm just gonna place this here because it's not there. Create a new chart. No, we don't need that right now, so we're just gonna cover it up with this one right here. And we just click. This is the one, and then we'll do 5 minutes. So that's what you see. Maybe it's picking up sideways and then decides later on or just continues now. So I'm not gonna enter yet. I'm just gonna be patient to see when it just crossed up right here. Yes, that you guys not saw that. That's the signal. Could be strong, could be low, but it's still on the bottom side of the MACD. There's I would like to see a little spike once it goes above like this one right here. Not as big, but then suddenly it just increased. But we'll see how it develops. Let's just look up to see, like I was telling you, the fact that this is a Chinese stock. That means moves differently. So we're learning their moves. This is the possibilities. You can see the colors, and if you were not here or you forgot, red, that means it went south. Blue, supposed to be green, but it's blue. It means that it's going to continue up, but it's going to retest. You see that retest, and then it's going to continue up. And then yellow is going to go sideways, and it's going to decide later on what direction to take. At this point, everything is looking good. It's going to be about noon. The moves are being happening late, maybe afternoon. So I'm gonna have time to study right now some other things while this is progressing, and then I'll come back to see where it went to. But right now, this is what I got for you. Okay, thank you for tuning in. Please like and subscribe, and then as I go, I get better at explaining. If you have any ideas or questions for me, please put them there so I can read them and get better. Or maybe there's terms or there's something that I can help you with. We help each other. You've been asking questions, you're helping me, and me by putting some content, and also helping you. But it's a win-win situation, as you probably know. Anyways, so thank you very much for everything, and I'm about to end this transmission on a few minutes. Let me just go back to where I'm supposed to go. And thank you very much. All right. I believe this is the one. This is the one. End stream, yes. End.